So now that we know the time frame that we have as far as data is concerned, we want to know, what are we looking for? Sometimes it will be something very specific. We could want to know or want to analyze, what is the trend in revenue? Are we doing better this year? Not so good this year? What are we doing compared to a year ago, 2 years ago? Or if we have already have produced projections, we may want to analyze the data based on trends and what's happening in the business environment. So all of those things will come into factor. So guess what? That's your step two. What am I looking for? And sometimes you're not looking for anything at all. You are looking for weird stuff, things that stick out, and you have to actually figure out what that is. That's also a part of analyzing your data, just taking this information. So let's take a look here. One of the things that sticks out to me, and that probably will stick out to you, is these are your total sales. And you notice in 2014, 2.4. 2015 looking pretty good, 6.7. Wow, that's really an uptick. 2016, 3 million, and 2017, $3.5 million. Your total sales for all of those years, $15,800,000, 15.8. So why in the world did your 2000 look so good? And not only that, yes, you're happy that your 2000 looked good, but what you really should be concerned about is your 2015 compared to your 2017. Your 2017 is nowhere near what your 2015 was, right? You have a big difference in this number and this number. And those are the things that should stick out to you, that should raise red flags. Hello. As a matter of fact, it should have raised red flags in 2016 by January or February or March of 2016. Someone should have said, whoa, if you want to break this and divide this into quarters, someone should have said, wait a minute, something is really, really wrong here. We had all of this revenue in 2015. Our first quarter is nowhere near what our 2015 first quarter was. So what is going on? Now, it could be a perfectly reasonable explanation, and we'll get to that in just a moment.